Accused in a series of deadly stabbings in Davis back in court today. The focus of today's hearing surrounding the suspect's mental competency to stand trial. Fox 40's Arena Shaddix has the story.
A court-appointed doctor determined that 21-year-old Carlos Dominguez, suspected of 3 stabbings last April in Davis, is not mentally competent to stand trial. But during the court proceedings today, Dominguez spontaneously spoke out.
And then I want to apologize, and I want to say I'm guilty and forgive me for...
Hold on, sir, you have a Fifth Amendment right.
Dominguez's attorney tries to advise him before the judge steps in.
Criminal proceedings have been suspended. Nothing he says during the process of a suspended criminal proceeding shall be used against him, and it has no bearing on these matters.
The judge ruled that a jury in July will determine if the criminal case will proceed.
The prosecution has a right to a jury trial to challenge those findings, and it's a very kind of a limited issue. It's really not about guilt or innocence. It's about whether or not this person is able to understand the charges against him and assist his lawyer in his defense.
Dominguez is suspected of stabbing to death 50-year-old David Henry Breaux, known locally as the Compassion Man, on April 27th. He was unhoused at the time. 2 nights later, police investigators believe Dominguez was responsible for fatally stabbing 20-year-old UC Davis student Kareem Abu Najim as he walked through a city park. They also believe he is behind the May 1st attack of 64-year-old Kimberly Guillory, who was unhoused and stabbed inside her tent. She survived.
I think it's important that folks understand that this is a capital case. I don't think they've announced whether they're going to seek the death penalty or not seek the death penalty, but it's a capital case in the sense that it is an eligible case for the death penalty. It's also eligible for life without the possibility of parole. So the stakes are very high.
Former Sacramento County District Attorney Anne Marie Schubert says Dominguez has competent defense attorneys who will vigorously defend him. So it is not uncommon
that they're going to take all those steps that they need to take to, basically protect his rights. Yeah. But that doesn't mean that when it goes to a trial on the competency issue, that it's an automatic yes or no. It's up to a jury to decide. The prosecution will have an opportunity to cross-examine and present their own evidence.
In Yolo County, covering local news that matters, Rowena Shaddix, Fox 40 News.